Hello, dear developers. Today we will show you how to set up monetization in your application and install Admob banners and interstitial ads. To use Admob, you need to have a Gmail account. After you create an account with Admob, you will need to fill in the information about yourself and provide your billing information. It will take some time for the Admob to approve your account, and after you see the "Your account is approved" message, you can create Admob ad units and add them to your application. So now we are going to add our app called Wallpaperium to Admob. Select Apps and click Add App. Select your platform, Android. Is the app listed on our supported store? We choose No. Press Continue, enter app name, click Add App. We have added the app to Admob. You can see the suggestions. Set up an app ads.txt for the app. If you haven't done it yet, we'll cover this simple procedure in the next short video. You can also familiarize yourself with this procedure by the link which will be available in this video description. Now we need to create ad units in Admob and add them to our application. Click Create Ad Unit. As you can see, we can create different ad units: banners, interstitial ads, rewarded videos, native ads, and an additional option has recently appeared, App Open, which is still in beta. Today we will add banner and interstitial ads to our application. Let's start with a banner. Click Select, enter the name of the ad unit, click Create Ad Unit. Ad unit successfully created. We need to copy the ad unit key and paste it into our application's monetization settings in Andromo. We select Monetization, Admob, mark the Admob Banners Ads checkbox and insert our key. Now go back to Admob, click Done, and click Add Ad Unit. Go to Interstitial Ad, click Select. Enter the ad unit name and click Create Ad Unit. Copy the key of this ad unit and add it to the Admob interstitial ads. Now we have to add Admob App ID. This is the unique ID of our application in Admob. To do this, we go to Admob again, App Settings of our application, copy the app ID. We insert it into the Admob App ID field in the monetization settings in Andromo. Excellent! On the left side of our Andromo dashboard, we've completed the basic monetization settings of our app. Now, let's go to our panel's right side and create custom ad settings for our app. The first button that is highlighted in green is the dashboard of our application. If we want banners at the bottom of the screen to be shown on the dashboard as well as interstitial ads, we must activate them in the Ads section in the settings of our dashboard. First, we go to Banner Settings, mark the checkbox Show Banner on Activity. We also select the network for which we want to display banners. This will be Admob, as we configured Admob on the left side of our dashboard. If we had configured Facebook on the left, then we would have marked the checkbox Facebook on the right. We do the same for interstitial settings. Mark these two checkboxes. Fine. We see that we have two icons on our dashboard panel, INT and BAN, which means that banner and interstitial ads will be displayed on our application's main screen. We can customize advertising in each separate activity. Go to Technology, Ads, Banner Settings, and mark all necessary checkboxes. As you can see, corresponding inscriptions appeared on this activities panel. Let's set up ads for all other activities. So we have configured ads and now we need to save. And let's build our application. Our application is ready. We can download it. Now let's check out how ads work in our application. We go to the first activity and get to the interstitial ad. We also see the banner ad. Let's recheck it. Another interstitial ad, so everything works.
Dear developers, Admob has slightly changed the activation order of ads in applications. Now, for advertising to be activated in your app, you need to publish it in the Play Store, and after that, add your app Google Play link to Admob. When you add an app to Admob, you will be prompted to enter a link to the app on Google Play at the very beginning. If the app is already published on Google Play, copy the link to it and add it to Admob. Admob will find your app from the link, and you will be able to add it. In this example, the app has already been added. In your case, you will need to click Add, then Continue, and then complete the procedure for adding an app and creating ad units. In case you haven't added the app to Google Play yet, you add the app to Admob following the procedure described in this video. Then you will need to publish it on Google Play, and when your app is released in a few days, you can add it to Admob. After your app is released, you will need to go to the Apps, All Apps section. Select your application from the list and click Add Store. Paste the link to your app, click Add, and Continue. Admob will then review your app for ads serving within a few days. After that, you will see the icon Ready and Ad Serving is enabled. Admob ads will start working in your app. Thank you for your attention and good luck.